Hi everyone, my name is Vihan Rao and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. First we're going to do is solve the centers. So we need to join this over here like this. We'll start with the white one. Join this like this. And then find another part of this center. This one. Join it and meet it. So we can do this same with the yellow part. So put it up and go to the other side. And then join this here. And you try putting this up and you cannot find a way to put this white back now. Not to worry, just put it like this, same direction. This. So we can try solving the red center. We did, and we can do so. We can solve the green center just like the yellow one. Join this over here. Put it like this so it doesn't mess up the red center. And like this. Join this over here. And so once you solve the last center, if you solve the orange center, then the blue center will automatically get solved. But there is a problem. This, like this. This needs to be this part of the center has to be over here, and this over here. So doing this over here like this, and then put it like this, and you solve the first step. Now to the second step, edge padding. So start with any edge you want. I'm choosing this white green edge, and then you should take this over here by doing a flipping algorithm like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So always check if this belongs over here first, and check if this belongs over here. It doesn't. So just join this over here, put it up like this. Find an unsolved edge over here. Don't take any solved edge, but only any unsolved edge. First edge is solved. Now choose this edge. So do same with the rest, but always check if any edge part belongs to some edge, some other edge part. This. Do the same with the rest. So when you come like this, that this edge belongs over here, and this edge even belongs over here. You can't put it directly, and you can. And also the thing is, you cannot solve. Also the thing is, you cannot find any unsolved edge. So you have to do the flipping algorithm. I mean, you have to put this over here and put this over here. Do the flipping algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then take double layer of the upper part or the bottom part at the right. I know it cracks the centers, but we'll put them back after doing the flipping algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And there you may get your centers and your edges solved. So solve it like a 3 by 3 normally. But if you want to learn how to solve 4 by 4, you must learn how to solve all 3 layers of a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. You can solve the first 2 layers normally like a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. But at the third layer, when you come, there are still some things which don't happen in a 3 by 3. So you come like this, a parity. This should be like this, but instead it has come like this. This doesn't happen in a 3 by 3. It only happens in even layers of Rubik's Cubes. But except for 2 by 4. So you have to do an algorithm like this. R X, which means go to the bottom side. Then R2, there's one more part of the parity, and you come like this. Between 2 corners, there's also corner parity, also known as edge parity. The first parity which was there was the edge flipping parity. So it comes like this, the corners. It can even come as corner parity or edge parity. How edge parity? I'll show you. This is the edge parity. Instead of this being over here and this being over here, it changes. Only happens in even rows. So do this out. Or 2R2, which means this part of the 4 by 4. 2R2, U2, 2R2, double layer U2, 2R2, double layer U2. And also, if it's not yet solved, then you can try solving your Rubik's Cube normally, and we go through all the problems. And there you may get your 4 by 4 Rubik's Cube solved. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And also comment a heart if you solved the 4 by 4 Rubik's Cube. Bye bye.